You can see right over here, you can actually spend your money on things like PayPal gift cards. You can actually spend it on Amazon gift cards. So I found this app that actually pays you to listen to music. Now, there's obviously going to be some caveats to that. Not anything comes for free. So let's actually talk a little bit about this app and why it can be beneficial for you if maybe you don't want to spend money on places like Apple Music or Spotify. Now, this app is called Current Music, and I will actually have a link for them in the show notes if you want to sign up. There is a nice little bonus for you, so make sure you check that out. But what this app actually will allow you to do is listen to music and pretty much get paid for doing so. Now, there are obviously, like I said, some caveats, right? So here on the app, one thing we want to do is kind of look over here. You don't actually get to choose the music. You can choose kind of like stations, kind of like radio stations. But the nice thing is there's not like ads in between the songs. You can actually eventually get to a point where you're not even getting paid to listen if you don't watch any ads. But the really nice thing is on top of that, when you save your stations, they'll kind of curate the music in certain styles. So my favorite one as of right now is The Weekend Worth. It has a lot of alternative rock for me, which is what I like. And they sometimes play music that I've never heard of before or from bands that I've never heard of, which is always a really cool thing. Now you can see here we got about 1,604 points. I've been just testing this out a little bit here and there. You can see right over here, you can actually spend your money on things like PayPal gift cards. You can actually spend it on Amazon gift cards, iTunes, Sephora, PayPal, again with a little bit of a higher dollar amount, or even some watches as well too. So the really cool thing is you build that up just for listening to music, and then you can redeem it for actual money. Now, obviously, there are some small earnings here, but if we go to the earning history, you can see when I'm listening to music, we got 1.241 points on that one. When I was listening to some T Swift, we got 0.062, and so on and so forth. You can see here we're getting all these points. So these points, as far as accumulation, if I click on here, that's equaled out to right now $1.60. So obviously I'm not super close yet to the $6 PayPal, but hey, if I'm just listening to music outside of Apple Music or Spotify, this is going to be a great way for you to just earn some of that extra money. And the cool thing is, if you send a referral to friends or family members, you actually get their bonuses as well too for listening to their music. So I'll have that link in the show notes down below, so you can go ahead and sign up, get that nice little bonus. But if you want to see like the whole sign up process, what it asks you, and a whole bunch of other little things, check out my video right over here to keep on learning more about Current Music.